on the Concord River in North Billerica, Massachusetts, is a wonderful dam which enabled the functioning of multiple mills powered by water over the years, as well as the Middlesex Canal. Let's have a look around. Here's the mill pond. Part of the old Talbot Mill. And moving over to the east side of the river is the former Faulkner Manufacturing Company. Both of these mills produced woolen materials. The Faulkner Mill actually functioned from the early 1800s right up until 1986 when it closed. And at that point, it was the oldest woolen manufacturing plant in the United States. Here are some gears and apparatus which controlled the race waters leading to the Talbot Mill, apparently. As previously mentioned, the canal, the Middlesex Canal, also operated off of this dam, and here are some of the remains of that canal and the last remaining lock from that canal. And another view of the mechanisms controlling the race to the Talbot Mill. The race to the Faulkner Company on the east side of the river again. Another view of that same race. As we can see, there are two dates, 1811, which indicates the first Faulkner Company building. That burnt down, as did a subsequent Faulkner complex. The final Faulkner buildings built were in 1886, which are indicated by that later date here. And another view on the west side of the river. This is the Talbot Mill again. At some later date, steam power was provided to these buildings, which is evidenced by these chimneys. The entrance to the Faulkner Company race. I'm Randolph. The name of this channel is Randolph's Rants. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.